Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPO Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. In this new update, we can evolve so many characters Pokemon. We're doing Roxanne, super tanky character. We'll do a sync pair story first today with Roxanne. Just the first option, one round, so you guys can be familiarized. Then we can evolve her.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Or rather, evolve her Nosepass.
Thank you so much. Yes. Wonderful. Huh? So amazing. I see. Thank you so much. Wonderful.
It's all thanks to Nosepass.
I'll give it my best shot.
And with that said, time to evolve Nosepass, make his defense even stronger. Here we go, guys. Brawly. I wonder if Brawly has a Hariyama here or a Makuhita. We'll see. 131 out of 5 evolution shards. Much more than what we need. Oh, a Makuhita. So, when we do Brawly, do we fight against
You gotta believe in yourself.
Nosepass? I mean, they're
I
fellow
see.
gym leaders at the same region, right?
It's tubular. Let me see what you're made of.
Tubular.
Right? Anytime.
Okay, here we go. Nosepass is a bit weird to use. Study buddies. I mean, what does study buddies do? Uh-oh, raises special attack. Let's not use that. Don't die, please. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. Don't die. Don't die, enemy. Don't die, Brawly.
A big wave.
Leave it to me.
Far out.
Leave it to me. Do your best.
Wide guard, perfect for area attacks. Release. Oh, so there's release now. Anyway, sync move.
Time to put pen to paper. I'm ready.
And you're dead.
Oh, wipeout. Guess the blue was too gnarly for us.
I applied my knowledge.
Like a hurricane.
Gnarly wave.
Certainly. Huh?
And Nosepass can finally evolve. Yay!
Oh my! You look even lovelier than you did before.
Honor student power gem. Let's do this. Let's try it out in one battle, guys. Nosepass evolution. Still be Nosepass in the conversation, but he'll be Probopass in the battle. So let's just skip this.
All right, anytime.
Let's use the attack first.
Do your best.
Surf's up.
Now's my chance.
Fear me.
Leave it with me.
Far out.
Leave it with me.
A big wave.
Now's my chance.
Far out.
Do your best.
Release.
Time to put pen to paper. I'm ready.
Nice. Very nice.
Wipeout. I guess the blue was too
Every
gnarly for us.
evolved Pokemon's animation for sync move is much better than the unevolved versions. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Like a hurricane.
If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe if you haven't. Still lots of evolution stories coming up. I think we will do Brawly next just because they're paired up or something. And that's it. See you in the next video, guys.